Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Monopoly Go link on your Facebook account. To do so, you first need to launch your game on your phone, and once you're in the game, just click on the Friends tab which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, like so, and then click on Invite. Once you're in this screen, just click on the orange invite button and then click on copy link. Now open your Facebook. Once you're in your Facebook, create a new post, and then on the post just paste your link that you've copied. This will set up posts on your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification button so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!